there's one thing I could just tell myself to accept, to ignore all my feelings and instincts and just listen to these words, it would be this. I didn't set out to become YouTube famous or Instagram famous. In fact, I doubt that will ever happen. It's just not my aim. My aim was always to learn how to create interesting, well thought out, enjoyable videos. And I've made some fairly long videos, such as the video of my honeymoon back in August 2020. I've made fairly long birthday message videos for friends and family. I've made a Minecraft Let's Play series. I've made a Final Fantasy Let's Play series. And I've made videos just for the hell of it. The aim for me was always to get in 10,000 hours, to become an expert, to learn, to do tips and tricks of the trade and produce videos that I could watch or show to family and friends and have them go from, yeah, that's pretty good, to, whoa, you're really getting good at that, to, oh my god, that was amazing. And I've had a couple of those, and I can't tell you how much self-pride and self-worth that gives me. But somewhere along the way, I found myself drawn more and more to the YouTube studio, to the analytics page, looking at the numbers and the graphs and the percentage increases, and for some reason, I keep coming back to that monetization page to see how far off I am. And it's disheartening, because sometimes I create a video, and I put tons of effort into it, I spend days in the editing process, locked away in a little room, and don't get me wrong, I love it. I genuinely enjoy spending that amount of time editing the videos. It's part of this process that drew me in initially. It was only after that I started to play with, cameras and field of view and focus pulls and different angles and such. But it just keeps coming back to these numbers, very low numbers for a video that I feel deserves more than that. But fuck the metrics. I need to tell myself repeatedly that the number of views or the average viewing time of a video doesn't somehow determine its value. And at some point, those metrics somehow started to denote not just the worth of the video, but my self-worth as well. That video that didn't get many views must be a crap video, and therefore I must be a crap video editor. But it does have a value. To me, it serves a purpose, to entertain me, for me to enjoy the process and continue to self-improve. And if other people enjoy it and want to watch it, then of course that's amazing, but not the objective. So I would like to say to you exactly the same thing that I've been saying to myself for a good few weeks now. Don't worry about what the YouTube numbers look like or what the viewing looks like or what your average view time is or any of that stuff, your subscriber count, none of it, it really doesn't matter. Just enjoy creating the content. Make sure that you're creating content that you enjoy making. And at the end of the day, fuck the metrics.